fellow foodies. Are you ready to go on a tour with me again? Normally, I talk about the capital cities of the countries I visit. Well, Lagos was the capital of Nigeria until it was moved to the planned city of Abuja in 1991. But Lagos is still the largest city and cultural capital of Africa's most populous country. Plus, I had an absolute blast there, so I wanted to recap my time in this vibrant, flavorful city. Let's go! Lagos is a coastal city on the shores of the Atlantic Ocean, technically the Gulf of Guinea, and the Lagos Lagoon. This means that Lagos offers one of my favorite activities, lying on the beach and doing a whole lot of nothing. My favorite beach was Elegushi Beach in nearby Lekki. It's a popular beach for families, but it's big for partygoers as well, with its bevy of restaurants and nightclubs. A quick word of warning, though. The currents are notoriously strong, so stay close to the shore for some safe fun in the sun. After a long day at the beach, you'll probably be hungry. In most of the places I've traveled to, street food is part of the din and hum of daily life. Fortunately for me, many of the offerings are vegan. One dish that I fell in love with in Lagos was abacha, an East Nigerian salad made from shredded cassava. It can be served in several ways, including with meat and eggs, but my favorite preparation featured palm oil and fresh vegetables. If you're looking for a place to sit down and eat, one of my favorites was Danfo Bistro, a bustling, colorful eatery on Lagos Island. Efa agoyin is another popular Lagos street food, consisting of a boiled bean dip and freshly baked bread. Danfo Bistro takes this humble street food to the next level, topping it with fried plantain cubes. Ditto for the food at NOK by Alara. NOK is a luxury fashion brand that recently made a foray into fine dining. In its elegant, tranquil space, offers a fresh, imaginative take on African cuisine. When I wasn't whiling away my days on the beach, I was brushing up on my culture. One of my favorite spots to do so was the Nigerian National Museum. If you ever want a crash course in the history and culture of the country you are visiting, check out that country's National Museum. If a walk in the park is more your speed, I suggest strolling around Freedom Park in downtown Lagos. It's a beautiful urban oasis with monuments, fountains, and an amphitheater, and it's a great place to see a show or just soak up the chill vibes. Then it's not a Chef Jade guide without a little nightlife. One of my favorite nightlife hotspots was Victoria Island, which is home to all kinds of swanky bars and clubs. For a night of drinks and dancing right next to the ocean, I like Quilox, a multi-story club where DJs keep the beat pumping all night long. For a more relaxed evening, check out the nearby Sip Lounge for sophisticated cocktails. Lagos is a city that has something for everyone, whether you want to enjoy some chill beach vibes, take in some art and culture, or party till the break of dawn. And if, like me, your mission is to eat just about everything in sight, you'll find plenty here to keep you busy. If you want to know more, go visit cookingwithjade.com. See you next time.